Hello everyone, this is Amit Arya working in ECB College, Bikaner. Today I will discuss about PDA designing. One of the most general languages that we generally see is of the form a raised to power n, b raised to power n, where n is greater than or equal to 1. This language is not accepted by regular language because there is a counting of a here. A number of a's must be equal to the number of b's, and this counting is not possible in finite automaton DFA. So let's see, let's use the PDA push down automata, how we can solve the problem with the help of a PDA. The idea here is, as we get a, we simply put a into stack. Initially it's empty. This is the input tape. Here we got 3 a's, a, and 3 b's. After that there is epsilon, empty string. Here at the base there is Z0 symbol, that is stack is empty. As the idea here is, as the A comes, we simply put into the stack, and when B comes, we simply pop the A from the stack. If we meet with epsilon, here, and we got Z0 symbol onto the stack, that means there are no A onto the stack, then number of A is equal to the number of B's. This is the main idea of counting number of A's and number of B's. So let's see how this is implemented. Initially we are in the Q0 state. As the A comes, input is A and Z0 is the stack symbol. Z0 is the stack symbol. We simply push A Z0. We simply push A onto the stack. Z0 is already there. We simply push A Z0. Now stack contain A Z0. We move ahead the read header. We again meet with A. If input is A and top of the stack contain now A, we push A onto the stack. Now it contain again one more A. Now there is a third A. Same this thing. We don't have to write any rule for this. This rule will apply for the third one also. We push A onto the stack. So this is up to the A. Now comes the B. When B comes, we have to change the state. So there is a transition. We have to remember that there is some changes from A to B. From the Q0 we move to the state Q1. On the input B, if there is A on the top of the stack, we simply pop. So on getting this A, simply one A got popped. And as long as we are in Q1 state, as long as there are B's, as the B's comes and A are onto the stack, we simply pop A's. This is the main thing. So no, 2 more B's comes, 2 more A got popped. Now comes the epsilon. When it meets with the epsilon and Z0 is onto the stack, it enter into final state, and we simply skip the operation, and that is we put Z0 will remain onto the stack. That the acceptance by this is called acceptance by final state. There are some authors says another another theories, this is the acceptance by the final stage, that this language is accepted by the final state, that is push down automata. And another says that if there is some change here, everything is remain the same. If there is epsilon in the input and z naught at the bottom of the stack, we simply pop and accept the string. That is, this is the thing, this is the last step, and this is called acceptance by the empty stack. So this is, some authors use this way and some authors use the final step principle. So this language which is accepted by the PDA, so it is a context free language. Another DFA contains the transition table, but there is no transition table in the case of the PDA. There is transition IDs. We represent the transition ID or the instance IDs in the push down automata. How it is written? We are in the state Q naught, input symbol A, stack symbol Z naught. We move to the state Q naught and we push A Z naught onto the stack. That is, stack contain A Z naught. If we are in a state Q naught, input symbol A, stack symbol A, then we remain in the state Q naught and we push A. We push A. Fourth one is, if we are in the state Q naught, input is B and stack symbol is A, stack symbol is A, we move to the state Q1 and stack, and we simply pop this thing. And here, if we are in the state Q1, input is B, stack symbol is A, then we remain in the state Q1 and we simply pop this one. So in some papers, these transition IDs are represented. The problem is represented in the terms of the transition ID instead of the diagram. So we must know how to represent the push down automata in the form of transition ID. So two cases now remain, one for as a final state, other as a empty stack. First we look for the empty stack. We are in a Q1 state. We meet with epsilon. Z naught is onto the stack. We remain in the Q1 state and we simply pop. We simply pop and accept it. On the other hand, this scenario says, if we are in a Q1 state, we meet with epsilon, Z naught is onto the stack, we go to the final state QF and we skip the popping operation, or Z naught will remain onto the stack, and this is by the acceptance by the final state. This is acceptance by the empty stack. So this is about the designing about the PDA. In the PDA, we must know the important thing is the idea how the given problem is designed with the help of the push down automata. Here, how do we count the number of A to the count number of B? So first we must know the idea and then to implement with the help of the push down. Thank you very much for watching.